आपका नाम क्या है?
सादिया।
कहाँ से आए?
हैदराबाद।
ओके। जो लड़कियां वहाँ पे लड़की लड़कियां दोनों मिलके जंतर मंतर पे जो धरना कर रहे हैं ना, क्या बोलना चाहते हो धरना के बारे में?
उधर की हालत फिलहाल तो बहुत खराब है। द गवर्नमेंट शुड हैव cooperated. They should have listened to the demand of Sonam Wangchuk and the students, but they did not do that. We elected them to do this, but they're not doing their job and they're doing everything else. They are not focusing on what needs attention. They are focusing on everything else. They are doing lathi charge on students, innocent students, unarmed students. They are hitting the students, and we are giving them flowers. We are giving them we are giving them love. They are hitting us, and we are clapping at them. We are like giving them applause, but they are hitting them. They are throwing tear gases at them. For what? We are not terrorists. We are just asking for accountability. We are just asking for what is our right.
The people who are protesting at Jantar Mantar and Parliament, the government of India, the BJP, is saying that they are anti-nationalists, they are anti-Hindus, they are here to what do you say, clear the India's respect or something. They are saying like that. What do you want to say?
If you say that we are terrorists and that we are here to spoil the mahol, the environment of our country, then what are you doing? You are not accountable. You are not correcting your mistakes, and you are putting people who are rapists, who are not doing anything for the nation. They are becoming the president. They are becoming the PM. They are becoming CM. This is not how the country works.
There is a taboo in India, like women will not come out and women will not protest. But in this protest, which is happening in Delhi, the women are saving the boys. The women are taking the lathi charge on them, but they are in front. They are coming front and they are participating in the protest. What do you want to say about this Nari Shakti?
I have seen a lot of videos where women are getting lathi charge instead of boys. They are protecting the men, and the policemen, they are wantedly hitting the girls. They are wantedly beating them. They are wantedly beating them and laughing at them. And it just shows how coward the country is. It just shows how scared the people are of women, and empowering the women because they know where they stand, and that once the women get empowered, they are of no use. These are that.
So what do you want to say about Abhijit Dipke and Sonam Wangchuk, who are leading that Jantar Mantar Dharna?
Mad respect to Abhijit Dipke. He's such a great person for starting this. He was not even in India. He was in America, and he started everything there. And it just shows how desperate the country was for a change, that one from a single statement, cockroaches. This all began.
What do you demand to the BJP government and Narendra Modi?
The education should be better for the students. We deserve better. We deserve attention, and they should get the rights. The NEET aspirants who died, who did not die, who were murdered by the BJP, by the politics, they should get the rights.
Why did they, Okay, carry on.
You can speak.
I just came here to participate, and that why did the paper leak? Isn't it? Yes or no? Then why? Why did they beat them? Why are we getting beating from them?
So still the process is going. The police is taking the same action on the students. What do you want to say?
No, sir. Always, there were so many schemes about the students' betterment, right? Children betterment, bright future, youth. So when the youth asking something, they demanded something. So why the demands are not getting fulfilled? This is my question, and I came here just to ask for justice. Justice for the students.
The students who are protesting in Delhi, the government of India, the BJP people are saying they are anti-nationalists, they are anti-Hindus, they are terrorists.
It is not at all about the terrorist or anti-nationalist. It is all about the unity. They are united people. They are bright, Indian generation. They are just bringing their anger out. I have a niece. Okay, my niece, she was in NEET. Since 3 years, she's just trying to get the admission in seat. Okay, and finally she decided to change her profession just because of the paper leak and the system. So why this is happening? She thank God that we gave her a very good moral support and said that no worries, you can go for the lawyer, you can go for LLB, okay, or change your profession, no problem. But she said that I gave up. I don't want to study at all. So why this is happening in our country? Aren't we looking for the bright future of the student? Aren't we looking? can't we listen to them? Instead of, look, we like a parents, right? We like a parents, we listen to our children. If they do wrong, okay, mother, what she does. If child do something wrong, mother, okay, no problem, I'll listen to you. I'll try to sort out your problem. Instead of that, a mother can take a cane and beat the children literally without listening her problem. No, right? So this is our concern. So why the people are beating her? Why she's getting beaten? Why the all students are getting beaten just for the demand that they need justice? Nothing else. They don't have any concern. They're not. They were very peaceful. The strike was very peaceful.
If Dharmendra Pradhan takes resignation, the problem will solve.
Look, sir, that is not my problem. I am with the students, and why I'm here to bring my concern that my niece, she suffered. She suffered as a NEET student, and she gave up. She literally gave up and said that I will go in law rather NEET. So why this is happening? This is, as an Indian, this is my concern to know why this is happening. A strong, right, education system, why this paper leak is happening. This is only my concern. My concern is not about, what is happening, what is that politics. No, my only concern is about the students' bright future. What is the bright future about this of the students who are giving up from their education?
If any
They don't want to study now.
If any protest happen in India, the government is saying they are anti-Hindu. How this correct? Like anytime.
Sir, I came here to just give a peaceful, peaceful question, like how a child asks to their mothers for their rights. Isn't not our right to ask? Yes, why this is happening? Why paper leak is happening?
What do you demand? At last, what do you demand?
My demand is that the education, system should be very strong. Okay, very strong, and they should look after the students' bright future. That's it. Thank you, sir. Thank you.